So another day's almost in the books for Nvidia stock and for the stock market. And guys, we're looking pretty green out there. All the indexes are up, and Nvidia is currently up over 0.5%, and we're trading in the mid 130s. Isn't that crazy? I mean, we're back to the mid 130s. If we break over 140, we'll be pretty close to all-time highs, and that's nuts to say considering just about a month ago, month and a half ago, it was quite the different picture. Nvidia stock was at 80, 90 bucks a share, and this goes to show how quick things can turn around. So we have to break down the charts, do an update on how this week went, what I'm doing as I own the stock. So let's do it. Let's get into it. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Follow along for more content and join the free email stock newsletter and check out my Patreon for my portfolio updates every week. That is down below. And with that being said, cheers. Take a sip of that coffee. You're going to need it. And let's dive into it. So Nvidia, like I said, is moving up around 0.5% right now. And it's been kind of a rocky day, needless to say, for Nvidia. It started off in the pre-market uptrending. We got almost to 137. Think about that. Then we slipped a bit into open. Then once the market opened, Nvidia opened at 136, and it found its way all the way down to 133.50. So we dumped about 2% out of the gate, but it's been uphill since. So we hit 133. We made some higher lows since. You guys are noticing on the intraday. So we hit 133.50. 134.50 was the higher low. Then we hit another one. Now it looks like we're putting in a higher low at 135, 135.50. So Nvidia is fighting now in the mid 130s to really build some ground into close. That'd be a great way to close off the day, the week for the bulls if we broke out into close. But either way, man, this stock has been crushing it. This is the 5-day, 5-minute chart. Essentially, it shows kind of how the stock's done throughout the week. And man, we've been cruising. This stock was at 121 Tuesday morning, and we ran all the way to 129, 130 by Tuesday close. We then popped up to 134 Wednesday. We kind of coasted yesterday, Thursday, and now, again, we just hit 137 in the pre-market. So we're making these higher highs, higher lows all throughout the week. The stock keeps on making gains. And on the 30-minute chart, you'll see just how much it's come up in May alone. Usually there's a saying, guys, you've heard of the saying, sell in May and go away. Well, that does not seem like it's the case, at least so far this year in May. You know, we're only halfway through the month. It's the 16th. Maybe we crash in the next half of the month, and I might look like an idiot, but sell in May and go away doesn't seem like it's applying this go around. Now, does it, right? Because, I mean, look, this stock was at 110 early in May. Now it's at 135. It's up $25 a share. We're up around 24%. Obviously, selling in May and going away would not have been good, at least on this stock. Maybe some other stocks are down in May, I don't know, but a lot of stocks, all of the stocks I own are up, and the portfolio has been bouncing back like crazy. And clearly on the 1 hour chart, we're up trending from $95. That's the not the low, but we hit that about a month ago, $95. Now we're at, again, 135, so we're up around 45% off the lows. And on the 4 hour time frame here, you're noticing, okay, we're clearly fully breaking out. Earnings are coming up in not next Wednesday, but the Wednesday after. That's going to be the real teller on whether or not this rally is going to hold or, it crumbles. Because at this point, the reality is, man, I'm long Nvidia. I own the stock, but I'm not scared to speak reality. We are up a lot. You know what I mean? The stock's up from $83 to $135. It's up 62% off the lows. Think about that. We're up so much. So the reality is, if these earnings are not that great, or maybe guidance is soft, we'll get some more info on China, hopefully. We'll see how that affects the stock. This, if the earnings are not that great, this could come tumbling down. Not all the way back down to 85 or anything like that, but it could start coming back down to 110, 115, 120, if earnings aren't great and we're up, and especially considering we're up so much into earnings. But even then, the crazy thing is, even if it were to pull back $15, $20 per share, we would still be above this 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart, and we'd still be breaking out. That's the crazy part. Even if it pulled down, $10, $15 a share or more, or $20, it would still be well within an uptrend, well within a breakout. Think about how crazy that is. That goes to show how much Nvidia has come up in price. Now, am I buying puts? Am I betting on the stock to go down after earnings? Of course not. We all know Nvidia, it's a very dangerous stock to short. I would never short Nvidia stock, but I'm definitely not buying it either. I'm not buying it here at these levels. Maybe if it crashed after earnings, I would buy it, add more to my position, but I feel comfortable with where I'm at now because I was buying a lot a month and a half ago. That was the time to buy. Now is the time, not necessarily to sell, but in my opinion, just to hold on. If you have shares, just ride it out. Hold on. You know what I mean? And if you're not in Nvidia, you're like, oh man, I missed the boat. I want to buy it. I'm about to FOMO. Maybe calm down a little bit. Don't freak out. Don't FOMO too hard because it probably will pull back, whether it's after earnings. Even if earnings are good, it might start to sell off a little bit. It's totally natural with a stock that's up so much in a short amount of time. Then maybe you can enter into it. You know what I mean? So don't FOMO into it. No need to do that. I wouldn't necessarily buy it here, but again, like I said, if it pulled down a good chunk, I might be buying more. I might be adding to the position, guys. But overall, that's a quick rundown here on Nvidia, and I'm so hype that I was buying the dip like crazy. And who knows? Maybe we haven't seen the lows yet. I don't know, but let's just say we're looking pretty good right now. And I know a lot of you guys could agree with that. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. And man, it's been a great day for stocks today. The Dow's up 0.5% right now. Russell's up 0.75%. S&P's up around 0.5%. NASDAQ, not too much, but up a little bit, almost 0.25% on the day, and we have a lot of stocks moving. Not just Nvidia, which is slightly in the green. We have a lot of stocks moving today, from Coinbase to Rivian to Adobe, Micron, Nike, which I don't love, but the stock's up. Hey, gotta shout them out if the stock's up. Tesla's up on the day, which, let me take a look at this chart. Maybe I'll do a video on Tesla for tomorrow. But yeah, pretty good day across the board, guys. So shout out to that. And let me know what you guys are up to in the comments with your portfolios, what you're buying, what you're selling. And if you're interested in what I'm doing, it's all on Patreon down below. Feel free to check it out. Join the free email stock newsletter as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.